Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you. Before I begin with the class today, few things we want to discuss. That last time, few things we want to discuss. So now again, we teachers are having really concern for all of you. So please be safe. If you are sick, then only move out. Otherwise, or if you have something very important, then only you can move out of your from your home with precautions. So wash your hand properly, avoid touching your eyes and nose and mouth, cover your face while you cough or sneeze, disinfect frequently and avoid close contact. So please maintain social distancing. So children, as winter is now coming and spreading its effect, the temperature will become more suitable to this virus, and definitely you can see that in Delhi and other part the cases again started increasing. So please be careful and save yourself. Okay, now we want to begin the class with. So last time I taught you people binary tree. So in binary tree, I have completed that binary tree, and in that binary tree, the construction of tree also we have done. The construction of tree also. The construction of tree also. The construction of tree also we have done. So now the syllabus is complete. Abstract classes and interfaces also I told you some definitions or not? So abstract classes, wait. Abstract classes, so you can just write this. An abstract class is a class that is declared abstract. It may or may not include abstract methods. So abstract classes cannot instantiate. It cannot be instantiated. It simply means the object of the class you cannot define. But they can be subclassed, means you can inherit. And when an abstract class is subclass, the subclasses uses provides the implementation of all the abstract methods of its parent class. So here I will definitely tell you the example here. You can see this. Here it is a class which has been defined, abstract class shape, and there is a property int color has been given to this. And you can see that one of the method is abstract. Abstract means that the body of these method is not defined. So the implementation, so it simply means that abstract class is not fully defined. Abstract class is not fully defined. This is what. Now you can see here another abstract class is there. This was only the syntax of the abstract class, and here we are going to implement. You have seen one abstract class with one abstract method fun, and this is the class which is going to derive that abstract class base. And here what I am going to do is I am going to implement the method of abstract class within this one. So I am just defining the body of the abstract class here. And now class main, public static void main string args. So here, this is how we can create the object of that abstract class. Since the abstract class is not fully defined, so you need to write new derived, because the methods of the abstract class you are going to define within this class, and then simply you can use it. So in examination, implementation of the abstract class is not here in board exam, in board syllabus, only the definition here. So you can just define that abstract class. Again, I'm just showing you. This is the definition from the Oracle site, so that it is relevant, efficient. You can just copy this definition. All of you, please copy. An abstract class is a class that is declared abstract, and it may or may not include abstract methods. And abstract classes cannot be instantiated, but they can be subclassed. And when an abstract class is subclass, the subclass usually provides implementation of all the abstract methods. I hope you people have understood. Children, 1 minute, please wait for 1 minute. I hope you all have written this definition. So children, do you need the implementation also? Do you want to see? If you want to see, I will show you one running example. Okay, just wait. So I'm just going to define two abstract classes here, not one. So two abstract classes I'm going to define. Just wait for 1 minute till this IntelliJ idea is being initialized. So just wait. Okay, so children, actually abstract class is the best example for polymorphism. Okay, so here okay, now it's okay, it's fine. So I'm just going to provide you that example. So here it is, example abstract class, example abstract class. So here children, this is This will be known as the initial class, and this is the main method of the initial class. And two abstract classes I'm going to define. So here the first abstract class is class square, and here class square and double side. This is the constructor, double S, and here side is goes to S. This class is abstract, and here abstract double area. This is the method. So children, here this is what I have done, and I want to make another. Suppose till now it's okay. So here I want to extend this. Extends square, and since square receives one parameter, so here the constructor of this abstract class will come into play, and that is super S. And after that, in the main method, enter side of the square, that is side is ss dot next double. And now what to do? You need to create that object of that. So square obj new, this example of abstract class, and passing the side. And now you need to define this function, abstract function area. So public double area, and here you need to write what? You need to write side into side. So when you call this function here, double R, which is result, so here it is the area square is R. So children, if any doubt, then please tell. Since abstract classes are not fully defined, so that's why I'm creating the object like this. I'm creating the object of the square class, but the instance which will initialize this square class is example abstract class. Now if you run this, you can see that enter the side of the square, the side is 10 and the area of the square is 100. So this is how you can use abstract classes. So children, in Java, you have the concept of abstract classes and interfaces, because basically interface is for one of the property of inheritance which Java cannot implement, and that is multiple inheritance. That's why interfaces are there. So interfaces are also, they also contain abstract methods, means these are not fully defined. So here, any doubt in this question which I have explained just now, class 12? Okay, now one more example I want to give, that is I want to define a class abstract class shape, and which contains two variables, side 1 and side 2, and here shape will receive two variables, double AB, and here you can see that side 1 is A and side 2 is B, and here there is another class square area extends shape. The constructor of the square area is this one, receiving one parameter only, which is side, and here super A comma super side comma side, and here public. There is one more method here, which is abstract double area, which is not fully defined. It is an abstract method, and here public uh, double area, which will return side into side, which will return side 1 into side 2. I hope it's clear, children, till now. Now in this class, which is not the subclass of, we have to do something else. Suppose enter the side of the square. Now what to do? We need to create the object of the square area. Square area object obj1, yeah, obj square, you just new square area passing side only, and here double area square, which is obj dot area, and here you can print the area of the square is area square. And one more thing which is by mistake I have done is that the object of that, so this is object square. So it is calculating the area of the square in this way also. Using the concept of abstract classes, cannot find symbol square. Okay, the name of the class is you don't need to extend here, because we have already done that part. You can see that it is 100 and the area is 10,000 square units. It's coming. Okay. Now what to do? We want to calculate the area of rectangle also using this. So here what you will do? Just copy the same implementation here. And here now the name of the class is rectangle area. Rectangle area, this is rectangle area, and here it receives side 1 comma double side 2, which is super. Yes, which is what rectangle area. It's okay, fine. Then what is the problem? Square area, rectangle area extends shape. Okay, the method we need to define here. Okay, here side 1 comma side 2. Yes. So class rectangle area extends the shape. Rectangle area double side 1 comma double side 2. In rectangle area, how many values are there? We have passed 2. So what is the issue? It's working now. Okay, let us see if any problem we will resolve later on. Now here enter sides of the rectangle, and that is double side 1 is ss dot next double, and double side 2 will be ss dot next double. Create the object of rectangle area class, which is object R, new example abstract class, passing side 1 comma side 2, and this double will be area of rectangle will be that obj r dot area. And here what to do is just print that the area of rectangle is that area rectangle. So still there is some issue because it is showing the error. How many parameters? Double one side to abstract class. But here you cannot pass any parameter. Okay, sorry, this is what I've done. Here new rectangle area passing side 1 comma side 2 extends shape. Okay, so this is what okay, here I have missed one thing, abstract class. But it is not abstract. Like a गड़बड़ कर रहा है. Wait. Let's run this. देखते हैं. Invalid method declaration. Okay, yes, rectangle. Children, here the name of the constructor is not okay. Now it is okay. Rectangle area. This is okay now. So this is how we can calculate the areas of two figures using the same abstract class. So it is here the area of the square, and it is 1020 the area of the rectangle. So now you can see that the same figure, the same abstract class we have used, and if any query, then please ask. Children, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask. So this is what you need to do. One abstract class you have defined, and it is the square area, and which is extending that shape, and it is the rectangle area which is extending the shape again, because here we want to calculate the area of the rectangle. And here the constructor of this class actually is same. Actually, I have taken two parameters because I want to calculate area of square and rectangle as both. So using the same, that's why two parameters have been defined. So in case of square, it will be initializing, I am passing side into side comma side so that A and B are same. So there will be no issues of different sides. In case of rectangle, there is no issue. We can pass side 1 comma side 2. And in the main method, you can initialize like this. The name of the figure you want to calculate, the object with the, and here it is the base, it is actually square area जो आप calculate करना चाह रहे हैं, the object of that. But one thing we can do here, we can do shape, then also it will work. Yes, because at runtime it will replace the code. You can see that here it is 10, here it is 20 and 30, 20 and 40. This is working. So children, this is what abstract class. If you have any query, then please tell. Do you want the same program on your GCR? Class 12th. But should I send or you all have understood? Because it is the example I have given you, but this will not come in the board exam. Only definition will come. So I don't think that I should send it on GCR. And if you need the same, I will provide you. Okay. It will be there. It will be there. Class recording will be there. Okay. So mail ID, I'm just telling you the mail ID for computer project is the first one which has been selected. And it is, please write, it is class 12 computer projects 2020 @gmail.com. This is the mail ID for the submission of the computer project, and the last date is today. So, and please circulate this email ID. I will provide this email ID to your class teacher also. And in because I want the computer project section wise, but by mistake I forgot to mention the section. That's why I'm not going to post this Gmail ID on GCR. Class 12th, class 12th A computer projects 2020. If the email ID was so mentioning A, I forgot. So, but okay, no issues. So you all can send your project here. Vasu Sumit Seth. Vasu Sumit Seth. शशांक कुमार, सार्थक मनराल, आद्या गुप्ता, आद्या, अतेंद्रो, अतरिंदो, हाँ तो बट रिपोर्टर रिप्लाई करिए. So I hope you all have understood the concept of the abstract class. So first class is in the next class I will also explain one, give you one example of interface also. So abstract class is the class which cannot be initialized, which cannot be instantiated, and one of the method must be abstract. It can have other methods also, but one of the method must be abstract, and here it will start with abstract. And here this abstract class we are going to extend within the square area class and within the rectangle area class also. And this object I am going to define here. because the implementation, two different implementations are, actually the implementation here is same, that is public double area and this. So now what to do is, I want to just create the object, and since this is the third class example abstract area which is initial class within this, so I have created the object of the square area class, and then here the object of the rectangle area class, shape object square and shape obj rectangle, which is this rectangle here. And now simply we can use, suppose here it is rectangle. Okay, that's fine. So the mail ID, again I'm telling you people, the mail ID is class 12th computer projects 2020 @gmail.com. This I am posting in your chat box. So please send your project here. Today only the last date. So in case if any problem with the project, I will immediately revert back on your mail ID. So this time projects are very important, children. So make sure that it is having acknowledgement index, the code along with the comments, along with the algorithm, along with the sample input and output. All things must be there. The running example you will also have to show. The running examples, I mean that the screenshot of that. A screenshot of that running example must be there. Yes. हाँ. So I'm telling you the same na. You have to create a Word file only, because it is not like that you are writing on paper and then you are taking the screenshot or you are clicking the pictures. Just provide me the Word file. Electronic project will come. Only electronic. I will not accept the PDF in the clicked photograph format. Sorry. So, and the deadline is today. So all of you have to be this. This is what I was telling from the beginning, and the date also I announced earlier. So there is no issue, I think. So please send it today. And now I'm just giving you the Google form for attendance. And those who are absent, their project I will not entertain. Those who are absent in last 5 classes. So this is the Google form link. So please fill it. And if you have any doubt, you can wait, otherwise leave. And the project should reach to me by today only. Please. बेटा स्क्रीनशॉट अगर होंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. वैसे लिख दो, वैसे भी एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे. हाँ, नो इश्यूज कर दीजिए. दैट इज एक्सेप्टेबल. ओके. द श्रेष्ठ बिंदल इज हियर. बेटा यू वेट आफ्टर द क्लास.